Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Feed Finder reviews. In this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is a unique website which is based in United States, Canada and United Kingdom that sells food pictures on it, and you can buy and sell custom feed content, or it is the best website for users to buy and sell custom feed content from verified users. So guys, this is the homepage of this website. Here you can read how it works. So you can get the information of account creation from this website, and let's talk about other information including payment and all, guys. So they have not specified the payment information of the website, which is a negative sign, and they have also not provided the shipping information. Now talking about other information, so let's check out the about us section. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration that makes the website secure to access and keep the details and transactions safe. So this is a good sign. And guys, talking about its domain information, so the domain name was created on 1st of July 2016, and this site is too old, that makes it legitimate. And guys, talking about us information, so here you can read the content about the Feed Finder website, and you can also check out the FAQ section related to this website. You can find various question and answers on this section, so this is a good sign here. Now talking about the contact details of this website, guys, so they have provided the contact details including the email address or company's official address, which are legit. So this is a positive sign. And talking about social media presence, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Guys, you can see this website has huge fan following on Twitter and Instagram as well. So this is a positive sign. And talking about return policy, so they have not mentioned any return policy page over this website. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product if you have. And talking about Feed Finder reviews, guys, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, and you can also view the link of Trustpilot over here. They have mentioned the Trustpilot link at the bottom of the web page, and we have found 4.9 rating out of 5, which is a good sign and that define its legitimacy, guys. So most of the customers are satisfied with the customer services, as it resolves their queries in the blink of eyes and transactions are too smooth. While guys, on the other hand, some people said that it is a total time waste and wasted their money on the site. So it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision by exploring the entire reviews before making any decision. And guys, this website is popular as the domain name of the site is too old, which is a good point. Apart from that, this site has an excellent ranking on Alexa, which defines its legitimacy. So guys, in our conclusion, the website appears to be legit, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.